guys, what's up? It's Marissa again, back with another body painting tutorial. Today's look is another Easter look, but this one is an evil Easter bunny and not a cute one. So just keep watching to see how I got this look. So the first thing I do is map out where I want my mouth to be. So I'm going for a really big, scary bunny mouth. So I'm just using white body paint to outline it. And then I am filling in the teeth as well. I'm making them very pointy and scary looking. Once the teeth are all placed in, I take some black paint and I outline every tooth and fill in all the extra space in the mouth. Then I'm taking some white body paint and I'm putting that all over the rest of my face. And then I take some black again and outline the mouth to make it stand out. Then I take some pink and paint on a little bunny nose, kind of a heart shape, and outline that with black paint also. Then I'm taking some black eyeshadow and I am contouring my nose and connecting it to my eyebrows and putting black shadow all over my eyelids. I'm also putting some shadowing around the mouth as well. Now I'm taking some yellow eyeshadow and I am putting some color into the teeth so they're not just straight white. They're gonna be a little bit yellowed out, and also taking some brown as well. For the eyebrows, I take some black body paint and put in some thick matte eyebrows that kind of go up. And I put some red eyeshadow under my eyes and do a little bit of detailing line work around the eyes and a big huge liner. I'm also putting little hairs around the mouth and little angry lines in between the eyebrows. And then I'm taking some black shadow and contouring my forehead and putting more hairs in black and white on my forehead. Then I deepen up the eyeshadow with black. For my chest, I cover everything with white body paint. Then I'm taking the black shadow again and I am tracing out my collarbones and making them pop out, and also shadowing in a rib cage so this bunny looks hungry and ready to eat anything that gets in its way. fake blood and putting that around my mouth with a stippling sponge, and I also put some on my chest as well, my neck area. Then I take some runny blood and put a few drops of that running down my face, and I pop in some red contacts. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!